Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our chatbot challenge conversational AI agents second lab, that is Dialogflow CX parameter manipulation. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the previous 9 lab solutions that you can access by simply clicking on the I button on the top right corner. जैसे ही ऊपर आप I button पे क्लिक करेंगे, आप सारी previous lab को access कर सकते हैं और अगर कोई lab बची है तो complete कर सकते हैं. Now without wasting time, start this lab. Wait for the page to load it. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the Start Lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. As you can see, there are total 5 tasks that we need to perform. So follow my step and you will get the green tick in this lab also. Once the credentials get loaded, simply right click on Open GCP console, open it in private window or in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. Okay. Now email ID will be automatically pasted up. Simply click on the next button. Email ID हमें paste नहीं करनी है, वो अपने आप आएगी. Now we need the password. So password is this one, last one. Okay, इसको copy करना है ढंग से. Come back to here, paste it here. Click on the next button. Now we get logged in into our Google Cloud console. Click on the I understand button. It's simply a welcome message. There's a pop-up of terms and condition. We need to accept it. Click on the agree and continue button. Once you are done with that, come back to the lab. Scroll down to the task 1. Now copy this link of the Dialogflow console. Copy it very carefully. Don't copy the full stop at the end. आखिर में जो full stop है उसे copy नहीं करना है. Come back to here. Open a new tab. Paste it here. Hit enter button and wait for the Dialogflow console to be loaded up. Once the Dialogflow console get loaded, simply click on this. Accept it. Click on the accept button. After that, click on the Dialogflow CX. Open it. Wait for it to get open. Now from here, once it get loaded, simply select your project ID and click on the project ID. A new page will be automatically open up. Okay, now click on the enable API. Wait for it to get enabled. Now when you click on the enable API, अगर आपकी केस में एक बिलिंग का आए ऑप्शन कि बिलिंग करना है या कैंसिल, तो कैंसिल करके फिर वापस से enable API पे क्लिक करिएगा. ठीक है, वेट फॉर दिस पेज टू गेट लोडेड. अगर ये पेज आगे ना बढ़े, ऐसा ही रहे, ब्लैंक रहे, तो आपको क्या करना है, वापस डायलॉग फ्लो पे आना है. इस पे फिर से क्लिक करना है, री ओपन द पेज ऑफ द डायलॉग फ्लो कंसोल and you will get redirected to the correct page. Okay, wait for it to get loaded. Once again, just select your project ID. Select it. Now you will see a right page. Don't worry, you will see a page like this. You can click on the create agent button. Now come back to the left, scroll down, and we need the agent name. So the agent name is this. Copy everything inside the quotes, but don't copy the quotes. Come back to here, paste it under the display name. Now click on this create button. Wait for it to get created. We don't need to make any other changes. Just we need the display name. So we pasted that. Wait for it to get completed. So once it's get created, simply cut it, come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get a green tick in the task number 1. You can see assessment is completed. Now in the task 2, copy this URL. We need this URL to import a file. Copy it very carefully. Come back to here, click on this agent, click on the view all agent button, click on this 3 dot icon, click on the restore button. Now paste it the URL here, click on the restore button. Make sure आपका URL बहुत ही ठीक हो, कोई भी extra spacing नहीं हो. Now click on the done button. Wait for this page to get loaded. So once the page get loaded, after that we need to restore one more file, and that file I extracted from another lab. एक lab और है जहाँ से मैंने ये फाइल निकाली है. एक्चुअली इस लैब का नाम है Dialogflow CX Enable IVR. इसकी सेकेंड टास्क में एक फाइल है जिसका यूज़ हम करेंगे. मैं ये फाइल डायरेक्ट आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा, वहाँ से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. कोई एक्स्ट्रा लैब ओपन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बस मैंने बता दी कि कहाँ से लिए. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, कम बैक टू हियर, click on the agent button, click on view all agent once again, click on this 3 dot, click on the restore button. Now we need to upload the file that I provided you in the description box. Description box से जो आप फाइल डाउनलोड करेंगे वो यहाँ पर अपलोड कर दी होगी. ठीक है, तो सिलेक्ट फाइल पे क्लिक करेंगे, सिलेक्ट द फाइल दैट यू डाउनलोडेड. आपने जो डाउनलोड की है वो सिलेक्ट करेंगे फाइल. क्लिक ऑन द restore button and wait for this file to get restored. Now, once this file gets restored, simply come back to the lab, click on the check my progress. You will get a green tick in this task also. You can see assessment is completed. Now scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Now what we need to do, we need to test our agent. So simply come back to here, wait for this page to get loaded. Simply click on the test agent button, come back to the lab and scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Yes, in the task number 4, copy this first phrase, copy it carefully. Come back to here, paste it in the talk to agent, hit enter button. Now come back to here, copy the next phrase. Once again paste it under the talk to agent, hit enter button. Now come back to the lab एंड अब हमें कौन सा कॉपी करना है, ये वाला यूजर वाला, ये कॉपी करेंगे फेस, बीच के दोनों मिस करने हैं. Come back to here, paste it here, hit enter button. Now come back to here, scroll down, click on the check my progress, and you will get a green tick in this task also. Wait for it. You can see assessment is completed, and with this our lab is also completed. Congratulations, we don't need to do any other thing. Simply click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give, click on the submit button, come back to the main page, एंड नाउ वी विल ऑथराइज और चेक दैट लैब इज एक्चुअली कंप्लीटेड और नॉट. जैसे हमें लैब के बिसाइड एक ग्रीन टिक मिल जाता है, मतलब हमारी लैब कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. तो ओपन करेंगे, यू कैन सी अ ग्रीन टिक बिसाइड आर लैब, इट मींस वी सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड आर लैब. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस लैब. इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.